Hey y'all, welcome back to Crocs and Socks Outdoors. We got a little project today. We just got this little greenhouse in. This ain't gonna be a very long video. I'm just gonna catch some time lapse. This is gonna help us out when we want to do that garden and stuff when we build our new chicken coop. This little greenhouse is gonna play a little part into it, or at least get us started with a greenhouse. We may upgrade in the future, but anyway, let's get it out this box. We'll get it put together and we'll show you what it looks like. As y'all can see, that's a lot of pieces, but it's nice because it's all wing nuts. Goes together pretty easy, and they're all labeled, everything. So if you just follow the directions, it's just a bunch of pieces that overlap each other and stuff like that you got to make sure before you put it together. So I'll get back to the time lapse and we'll get it finished. See if I can get turned around where the sun ain't in the camera. You can see it just goes together with those wing nuts. Every nut on this thing is one of those. There's a few short ones for places like this right here, where it just takes a short bolt because it's only going through one bar, and then there's longer ones. They go there. Pretty easy. Got a little bit of cross bracing, and you can kind of see it was kind of an acrobatic move to get it put together. It really could almost use 3 people, or at least something to lean it up against, like we had that basketball goal there. So, not too bad. Let's get the top on it. Looks great, don't it? Except it don't. You see these? They belong on the inside.
We'll put it inside out.
So all that fighting to get this thing on there, gotta do it again. Hang tight. All right. Now we got it on the right way. That way you see you can roll up your little flaps. Let's go in here and take a look at it. So this is the 10x7. So she's tying off all the little straps there to keep it attached. Got some down at the bottom. And then it comes with some stakes, but I'm gonna get some bigger stakes, like some really good tent stakes to stake it down, because I don't trust the little metal things they got. This thing will be across the property back there somewhere next time the wind blows. So a little bit of straightening up to do on the front right there. We're gonna get it moved. I don't know where Mandy wants it, and I'll show y'all in this little spot. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this one, I believe. Got it set up. Like I said, it's the 10x7 little greenhouse. We got it off of TikTok shop, and it took us maybe an hour total. Got it out here by the chicken coop and stuff. Kind of where it's sitting is where the new coop is gonna be eventually. So this is just kind of temporary and more or less an experiment. So anyway, I'll put the link down below for this one. And they do sell them on Amazon too. So if you don't want to buy off a TikTok shop, I'll put the Amazon link also. Y'all go check it out. Thank you for watching Crocs and Socks. It is Christmas Eve. And let's see, let me turn this around. Got my daughter Kaylee out here. She was my helper today. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next one.